Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is the video after that disastrous box that I opened that had pretty much promo cards and cards that were not really good. Pretty much, the value of that entire box was probably like $50 back when I bought it. With the cards that were in the packs and the promo cards, probably like valued like maybe $10 or $5. So it wasn't really worth it. But again, I continued buying random boxes and probably gonna feel a bit more disappointed. Okay, so this one doesn't really have a name. Let's see, what is this? This is the Pokemon, I guess, Stack 'em High tins that you stack on top of one another. I have another one, but I gotta look for it because I bought a bunch of Pokemon stuff way back then, and pretty much I've been just laying in the storage, and I have no idea how the condition of the cards are, so pretty much I've been opening cards for like 3 days. But yeah, I got the, I don't know, is it the Espeon tin? I got Psychic tin. Now, what's in the tin itself? So there's a Psychic type tin. And this has three Pokemon TCG booster packs and 2 Pokemon sticker sheets. They're probably all stuffed in the small box. Well, this is all you get in the box. Bunch of air and a few packs. So that's good. Then you got your stickers. I don't know what that little horse is. Then you got an Espeon. You got Gengar, and you have this other Pokemon that looks like Jigglypuff, but with hair. So yeah, pretty much. I don't remember how much this cost. I don't know. I have no idea how much it cost me. I think it cost like $10 or $13. I don't know. I don't remember. But pretty much got Obsidian Flame, Scarlet and Violet. Are we gonna get anything good from these small tins? Probably not. But you never know. And I still don't remember the card trick for these. I forgot these aren't Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Because Yu-Gi-Oh cards I don't even bother. I just go through them. But we have a Water Energy, got a Drowsy, Nemona, Lechonk, Flabibi, Mesogoza, Heracross, Defiance Band, Magikarp, and a Fidough, followed by a Maridon. Maridon? Try to open these things quick, but they don't open up quick. I have lost my touch and everything. Okay, there's code card. You only have this pack and the next one. So we got a Fighting Energy, Zigzagoon, Scyther, Milton, Karkatit, Trevenant, Bellybolt, Flamigo, Vengeful Punch, Fritigear, and a Scizor. Code card, last pack, probably nothing good. But at least we got a tin. Limit, Tadbulb, Lechonk, Barboach, Lanoon, Darmanitan, Dartrix, Bunnelby, Drillbur, and a Clough EX. Well, at least we got a decent card. Probably not worth much, but at least we got something. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Showed you the stickers and the 3 packs that come in the box. Is it worth it? Guess if you want to collect the tins, so you can stack them up, I guess. But I mean, $12–13, you get 3 packs, stickers, and the tin. Actually, I don't remember how much it costs, but if you want to collect them, I guess it's alright. You're gonna get something like amazing. Chances are probably low, but yeah. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and please subscribe. Helps me know that you enjoy these kinds of videos and I should go on Amazon, go to GameStop, buy a bunch of random boxes for Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh! Open them up to find nothing good. So yeah. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And I keep repeating myself, so I'll be going. See you later. Thank you.